G'day YouTube, JB from Oz again. It's been a little while between drinks. We've had a puppy dog that's been quite sick due to being hit by a car on my watch. So it hasn't been a lot of time out here in the workshop. But today I've got a few minutes and I thought I'd have a look at fitting up an extractor fan that we got recently from Big Candy Mountain in order to draw some of Bruce's big smelly smoky smoke away from the lathe and stop it getting into the rest of the workshop. So, as with everything Chinese, we bought essentially a kit. An assembled kit, but a kit nevertheless. We ended up with 2 bolts short, a bashed housing which I started to panel beat already and I've now managed to get quite round, a fan that was on the piss but I've managed to fix so that that's now running fairly well on angle. And instead of using these, I'm figuring to use some nylox. So I've gone into my big box of metric fasteners and I'll find some appropriate nylox. I think 3mm might be a bit small, but yeah, we'll do something. Bring you back when we've got a result. Alrighty, let's see what we've got. M5. Oh, that could be good. This looks like M4. Gee. Alrighty. Get some M4s out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what do you reckon? Some nice shiny stainless. Just everything looks better with stainless. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ah, look at that. Shiny fittings. And probably get ourselves some nuts as well, some washers. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. And 2. As with everything, whenever I buy a couple, I buy a bag, just because then, hopefully, for the next job, I'll have some spares. That's an M4 box, so I'll put my M4 stuff back in there. Could probably make an M3 box. Oh, M3. Was meant to be. One day, I might even go through, clean all that one up and make it useful. Alright, so that's happy. What have I got there? 2, 3, 4. Maybe I need one more. I need one more. I think I need one more. Should we get one more? Let's get one more. One more of them. One more of them. And one more of them. Alright. Some of that stuff. Some of that stuff. amateur is to come in this way. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Clearance, excellent. Now, we'll try with one of these. Next one's down. All right. Dope. Sounds like the lawnmower man. Ah! Now we have to get our little Aussie fingers up in the guts. Ah, damn you, Mr. Chinaman. How come you got small fingers? Ah, bugger. Taco! Cheeky bones. Taco. Alright, plan the second is so if I come up from underneath, I don't even have to worry about having small fingers, because then, aha, that's the trick, isn't it? The gravity assist. Part. Oh, can you see that down there? Part the second. Tucker! Time to shut the dog up. Oi! Come here. Inside. Good boy. Good boy. Yes. You a good boy? You are a good boy, aren't you? Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? You're a good boy. That's Tucker. Hey? You gonna be a good boy? Alright, let's get back to work. Alright, so we've got 2 on. Number 3. Oh, that is so much better. Gravity, guys. Always remember which way up is, and you won't have so much drama. Except for maybe then. Alright, I'll get a spare one. Put that started. Alright. Alright. Say goodbye to our other one. Okay, now. So now we have fan secure to start with. And now we just need to tighten the sockets up. For those of you who have not had the fortune of using tang tools, I highly recommend these. When we were working on the motocross bikes and the dirt and the mud and the crap and everything, nothing would stay tight, and when it was tight, it was too tight to move. We were always able to get tight things loose and loose things tight with our tang tools. And not only that, the thin walls on the Japanese, the Honda bikes and so forth, your regular home or garden stuff wouldn't work, but the tangs would always sort you out. You could always fit down beside a casting or whatever you had to do. Alright. Now, tightening up, snagging it up. Number 2. Clearance. Let's see if we can snuggle. So I reckon I'm probably a little bit high, so I'm just going to try and let it drop down a fraction. Okay, that looks to be pretty close on centre now. There's nothing hitting. Alright, tighten these boys up. Looks good. Alright. Now we're going to put our fan guard back on. Same deal. Good boy, T. Dope. Okay, setting it perpendicular. So not only does that stop it from coming loose later, it's actually made it quite a bit more rigid now. So I'm going to say a big part of the structural strength of this little fan comes from its cover. That's lovely. The back feels a bit loose there. Don't know why that is. Let's do that up a fraction as well. Don't over tighten that in case it is actually a problem. Alright. So then the final piece of the puzzle is the arrangement what for making the draft stay on the outside. So I've panel beaded these two flaps back to being flat because they had a bit of a knock as well. And we've got an H here, and then a screw here. So
This just feels like an accident waiting to happen.
okay. That looks really rock and roll.